to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Kwamboka Judith. If you are returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ugandan Titanic Rolex. And why is it called Titanic? Because they add a lot of minced meat, and they make it as big as possible, whereby they use a lot of ingredients. And also it's just like a normal Rolex or omelette, but they add minced meat. These are the ingredients we are gonna use. We have here tomatoes, we have onions, the round onions or the red onions, we have our capsicum, then we have our cabbages, we have our minced meat, we have eggs, paprika, salt, and lastly we have our chapati. So first thing first, we are going to boil our minced meat, then we can continue with the process. So our minced meat is ready, is well cooked, and we are going to make 3 Titanic Rolex, the Ugandan Rolex. So I've beaten 1 egg. I'm going to take every bit of every ingredient that I have. So 1 tablespoon of the minced meat, a bit of my cabbage, a bit of my tomatoes, then we mix them together. Next we add a pinch of salt, a bit of paprika, next we are going to heat our pan. So we'll heat our pan with some little oil, then add the mixture. Spread it evenly. Then leave it to cook. After the downer part has cooked the way mine has cooked, you turn it over the way I've turned mine. Then you leave it to cook again and remove it. So with your chapati, you put the one that you mix, the Rolex, then you roll it that way. Then you can hold it with a toothpick like that. Yeah, so we are going to do the process for all of them. Also for the second one, you take 1 tablespoon of minced meat, for the tomatoes and the cabbages, you can also consider to put them after, when they are raw, on your Rolex. And you can always add any spices that you like to spice up your Rolex. So the normal Rolex is always small and is not always stuffed with a minced meat. So this one is called Titanic because mostly Ugandans of tomatoes, minced meat, a lot of it, and it is always so big. So this is just homemade. You can see how it looks, and so yummy. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing down below so that you cannot miss any video that I upload. Until next time, bye.